What's up, guys? Ikani FX here, and this another weekly forecast. So let's do a little market outlook for this week. So firstly, I trade Euro USD and USD CAD. So, but usually before I go into the market to go and start trading, I like to come and guess or kind of predict where the week might go towards, if it's going to be bullish, bearish, or maybe probably we're going to have a consolidative week. So the first thing I usually do, I come to the dollar index. I mean, because if dollar index is going up, USD CAD is going up, and if the dollar index is going down, USD CAD is going down. So the opposite is the case for Euro USD. So firstly, we're gonna go to our weekly time frame. So when we come to the weekly time frame, what can we observe? The first thing we can see is market has aggressively broken above these two previous bearish candles. You see these two black candles, market have broken above it. That is above the week specifically, and we can see above the week of this too. So immediately we see that the market on the weekly time frame is bullish for the dollar index. And what does that automatically mean for Euro USD and USD CAD? It means for the week, we're going to be expecting USD CAD to be bullish, and we're going to be expecting Euro USD to be bearish. So what we're going to probably expect, we're going to probably expect like maybe market retest back down a little bit and then go back up. So what we're going to be looking for, probably we're going to be trying to get trades from the reversal downwards, and then we're going to try to capitalize on a bullish move. So on the daily time frame, what can we see now? We can see the same thing happen. We see the market broke above this. So let's take this out. Let's also take this out. So we can see the daily time frame market broke above this bearish candle and this bearish candle, and it happened aggressively also. So we can see it followed up with bullish candles for the past 4 weeks. We see week one, week two, sorry, 4 days. That's basically throughout last week. From Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we had all bullish days. So after determining this, what zones are we going to probably expect the market to go into? We can see this guy over here. This is a void, and this is a good place for the market to come and fill. Take a look at this void. We can be anticipating the market to fill this void completely. So we can just easily say the topmost part of this void is going to be our target for the week. And then of course we can see a little other block here. So if by Monday we just get this by Monday we get this move and market gives us a buy opportunity and we're able to get in and trade to this high, we're kind of done for the week. So you see, it's just about getting the right setup for a buy trade. So this is just a very temporal target, of course, but we can see this at the top. We can see this high. Liquidity is resting above this high, so we can always expect market to also come over here to this key liquidity. So now that we've established that the daily and the weekly time frame are going to be bullish for next week, what do we do now? The dollar is bullish for next week. So what do? We go down to Euro USD and analyze. Let's see if Euro USD is going to be in sync with what we did on the dollar index. So remember I said whatever dollar index is doing, Euro USD is going to be doing the opposite. And on the weekly time frame on Euro USD, immediately we can see that last week broke below the previous week's bullish candle. This week it was broken below aggressively. So automatically what we are going to be expecting from the market is this week we're going to be expecting bullish candles. We're going to be expecting a bullish move. I'm so sorry. We're going to be expecting bearish moves. So we're going to be targeting this other block, or that's for like a short-term target, and then this low for a little bit more of like a longer term target. So this is going to be another key liquidity, and officially we can see it's already in sync with what the dollar index is doing. Remember, dollar index is bullish, so euro USD is meant to be bearish. So we go to daily time frame. What can we see again? The whole week, from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, completely bearish. So what are we going to do now? We're going to be expecting price to be bearish. So throughout the week, so on the daily time frame, we can just expect market to kind of go up somewhere, like to come back and retest that weekly order block, and then probably just drop. So we're going to be looking for bearish opportunities. So we can easily just expect market to just do this, and then at around this top part of the market, we can just get a sell trade and then trade it down to, let's say, this low. That's this low over here, or this low over here, this guy or this guy. So that's exactly what we're going to be anticipating. And then on the 1 hour, remember we're taking the trades on 1 hour. Make sure maybe price comes up here, and then price, or it comes into like a fair value gap, like you see fair value gaps here, you see another one here. So if maybe next week something happens, we see another fair value gap, we can trade sell entries from there. So we got 4 hours. What potential zones can we be looking for entries for? This is another block over here, so we can get a bearish entry from here. So instead of this is still this is that weekly order block, so we can expect market to just tap into it and then give us this kind of structure, and then we anticipate bearish movement. So same case scenario for USD card. On USD card, we see USD card is obviously bullish on 4 hour. On the daily, USD card has been bullish, and we are still going to expect bullish price movement. We see the same thing on the weekly time frame. It broke above this little order block, and since then we've been going higher. So we can anticipate the price to continue going higher. So that's basically what we're going to be expecting for this week. We're going to be expecting bullish price movements. And of course, these are some trades I took last week. I'm going to try my best to be more consistent on this channel. It's really been a long time, and I've been trying to get myself together. So now that I'm back, guys, be sure to subscribe, because I have some fire content coming for you guys. So make sure you are following up, guys. Make sure you're following up. Let's make some money together. Have a great day, and have a blessed trading week ahead. Stay safe, guys.